Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to set up and assign the action button on Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. So here is my Galaxy Watch Ultra, and maybe as you know, on this watch we have an action button, and here there is, and if you press on this button will open my exercises, and from here you can select whatever you want, and then just tap on it, and your watch will start to record your exercise. Okay. But also this button you can assign for something else, and to do this just go to all apps and tap on settings, and here go to buttons and gestures, and here we have action. If you tap on it, now as you can see it's selected Samsung Health My Exercises. And if you tap on settings, from here you can select, for example, multi-sport workouts, or also you can select a specific exercise like walking, running, bike, or whatever you want. If you select, for example, walking, then you need to read here how to use it, the action button. We have a small guide, and for short press we have for short press we'll start the exercise. During the workout, if you short press again, we'll pause or resume. Double press, record the lap manually when you're running or biking, and to finish the workout just press and hold. Then just tap OK, and now it's assigned for the action button just walking, and if you press on it we'll start exercise, and then if you press again we'll pause, if you press again we'll resume, and if you push it long we'll finish the workout. Okay. Now also for this button you can assign other features like stopwatch, flashing, water lock, or none. So choose whatever you want, and then just tap OK, and you can use the action button for that feature. Okay, in my opinion, better is to leave my exercises, and from here, when you press on the action button, you can assign whatever you want. Just choose your exercise from the list, and then record your exercise, and that's all. Okay, so it's good that we have this action button because it's something new on the Samsung Galaxy watches, and we'll see in the future how this button will be improved. Right now it's good that we have it, and also I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.